Are you new to Kotlin and feeling a bit lost when it comes to working with enums? You're not alone. Today, we're going to explore how to iterate through enum values using the values and valueOf methods. I totally get it. When you're just starting out, figuring out how to work with enums can be confusing. But don't worry, this is a common question, and I'm here to help you through it. Let's dive into the specific question at hand. One user asked, how can I iterate and display all the values of my gender enum? They provided this enum class, gender with values female and male. Sound familiar? Let's tackle this together. So, what exactly is an enum in Kotlin? Enums are a special type of class that represents a group of constants. In this case, we have two constants, female and male. Now let's see how we can iterate through these values. And stick around. At the end of this video, I'll share a quick tip that will make working with enums even easier. To iterate over the enum values in Kotlin, the user can utilize the values method. This method returns an array of all the enum constants. Let's see how this works. Next, the user can display each value of the enum. This can be done using a simple loop that prints each gender to the console. Additionally, if the user wants to get a specific enum constant by its name, they can use the valueOf method. This method takes a string and returns the corresponding enum constant. Finally, the user can combine both methods to iterate through the enum and also retrieve specific values as needed. This provides flexibility in working with enums. Fun fact, did you know that enums can also have properties and methods? This makes them even more powerful than just a simple list of constants. Now let's look at the answers provided by other users. An alternative approach to iterate through enum values in Kotlin is provided by another user. They suggest using the enum values function to create an array of your enum type, gender. You can achieve this with the code val_r equals enum values gender. If you prefer a list, you can easily convert it using the toList extension. Here's that quick tip I promised. Always remember to handle exceptions when using valueOf, as it will throw an illegal argument exception if the name doesn't match any constant. And there you have it. You now know how to iterate through enum values in Kotlin using both the values and valueOf methods. If you found this video helpful, please hit the subscribe button for more Kotlin tips and tricks.